Hi, today we're going to be going over how to add partners and competitors to your opportunity in your growth suite. To start, let's log into the org. Once I've logged into the org and I'm on my home screen, I'm going to first go to my opportunities. Up here at the top, I'm going to click on growth opportunities. I'm going to select the opportunity that I want to add a partner or competitor to. Once I'm on my opportunity details, at the top up here, you'll notice the related list quick links. Here you can see the partners and competitors related lists. We hover over partners. You'll notice it comes down and it will show us any partners who have been added. So far, we haven't added any. Let's go ahead and add one. I'll click on new, and it'll pop open the screen to add a new partner. First, let's find our account. I'm looking for Advanced Computer Concepts. They're going to be our partner on this opportunity. Next, we can define what role they have, if they're going to be a prime or a sub. And next, we can define what our projected work share for them actually is in this opportunity. Finally, if applicable, and there's a point of contact for that company, you can put them here as a main point of contact. And you're also able to track if you have received an NDA or a TA from this partner already to help make sure everyone knows the state of the agreement with this partner. Finally, we'll go ahead and click Save down here. Now that we've saved it, you'll notice the partners went to 1, and we can see any partners that we have added to this opportunity. If you have more than one partner, go ahead and add another one, and they will all be tracked here so people can see which partners have been added to this opportunity. Competitors is very similar. Right next to partners, you'll see competitors, and we're going to go ahead and click new here as well to add any competitors. We can add our account to a ecom. We can market that competitor as the current incumbent, and then later on down the road, when this opportunity closes, if we lose this opportunity, we can also mark if this is the winning competitor. This can really help us with reporting down the line, as you're then able to see who you can consistently beat or lose against by reporting out of the system. Finally, down at the bottom, we can put any strengths or weaknesses that we feel this partner has in relation to this opportunity. And that is how you can add partners and competitors to your opportunities.